Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Sony Bravia runs Android TV or Google TV and is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Once done, make sure the TV system is updated and you're signed into your Google account so app installs work. Now open Google Play on the TV and search for Chrome. If Chrome isn't listed, you'll prepare to use casting or sideloading. This gets you into the app ecosystem quickly while avoiding later permission issues. If Chrome appears in Google Play, install it and accept required permissions. You'll want to limit camera/mic access unless necessary. If installation isn't possible, enable Chromecast built-in on the TV. Navigate Home, Settings, Device Preferences, then Chromecast built-in, so casting works. Alternatively, sideload a compatible Chrome APK via USB or use your phone's Chrome to cast a tab by tapping the cast icon. These routes give you either native browsing or a stable mirrored experience. Launch Chrome or connect the cast from your device. Sign into Chrome to pull bookmarks and passwords so browsing feels familiar. Make sure the TV display is set to 16:9 and adjust scaling and display settings if menu items are cropped. If pages load slowly or casting fails, restart the TV and router, clear Chrome's cache, and reauthorize casting in your Google account. If sideloaded APK issues persist, remove it and try a different
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.